Chapter 5 Fundamental Analysis 1 Video 5 SWOT Analysis.
Let's divide the page into four parts: strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat. Let's try to understand what these four terms means in context of company analysis. Strength, controlled by internal factors. It includes things or characteristics benefiting the company, qualities of the firm which no one else have. In simple term, what's the USP? Tangible assets like property, capital, technology, etc. All those things which increase the sales or profit, all overall, the brand value are to be considered as their strength. For an example, delivery time of Amazon is its strength. Next is weakness, controlled by internal factors. Things company lack in terms of satisfying customer. Things competitors are doing better. Resources which are limited with the firm. Frequently changing their USP that can be considered as weakness. For an example, Apple's weakness is incompatible with other softwares. Third is opportunity, emerging need for your product or service. It depends upon external factors, circumstances that helps company to gain profit, grow and expand. That comes under opportunity. For an example, HDFC Bank has lot of scope to expand in rural market. Fourth is threat, controlled by external factors that could possess a risk to company's success. It can be negative press or media coverage, emerging competitors. For an example, threat for Microsoft can be aggressive competition in software product, privacy concern, or present changing consumer needs and habits.
So guys, if you find this video informative, please do like, comment, share and follow Intellect Panthomath on Instagram and YouTube. Stay tuned for latest updates and more videos. Thank you.